Hello, I am Janine of tboqcrochet and welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, that was once that's a theme song to, it was a TV show, and I had to look this up because I was really young, but I remember hearing the song on the TV and it would say welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. But I don't know all the lyrics to the song, but I looked it up and I think it's on John Sebastian that made this song. And the TV show or the sitcom, it was two, or you know, the song was two. It was called Welcome Back Nada. Now, I could be trying to tell my age, but this is my birthday month, but we're going to leave that alone. But yeah, so in today's video, I am allowing you guys, this is part 2 of part 1 on market prepping. I said I was going to come back and show the bags once I lined them. So I have the bags ready, and I'm also showing the new item that I have. And I have several new items coming for 2026. But let's get started with the bags. So remember these bags, the printed bags. So I called this one a Dalmatian bag just because of how the yarn worked up. So it's this striped yarn that I showed you guys. And then I have the tboq logo tag here, acrylic tag. So I have steamed these bags as much as I could and to kind of relax the fibers. So this bag has a leather closure, and when you open her up, she has black and white, just as I showed in the previous video. So that is her. And I'll have these I'm going to name these bags, and I'll come back with that. That'll be another video that I could possibly do, or just let you know that I will name these bags. I don't have their names yet. And so this one is the eggplant, and she has a dark brown leather closure on her, and her inside is eggplant. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's eggplant purple. And then we have the polka dot. And this is her inside. It has a little like polka dot on the flower. That's why I kind of chose it for this bag. So that is her. I may need to try to relax this one a little bit more just to get it real flat. But for the most part, it's flat. And this is the pink printed one. And she has a little pink closure flap, a little closure flap. And her inside is pink. That's why these t-shirt yarn, that's why I kind of when I crochet with t-shirt yarn, this is the blue one, or like the turquoise print, but it has blue inside to match the blue that's in the yarn. So when as I was saying, when I actually crochet these, I crochet using a smaller hook if I can with some of this yarn, t-shirt yarn, just so that I can get a tighter stitch. So when I get ready to relax the fibers, it won't be, you know, too loose. It'll still have some firmness to it, and, you know, can hold up, has a nice firm texture to it, is what I want to say. So I have one bag that I did not show that I'm going to take to the market. I'm trying to decide if this bag will be a giveaway. I would like to do a giveaway, just to, you know, get more customers in or whatever, to attract more customers, should I say. So the bag that I forgot to show in the previous video, part 1, is a market bag. Now this is a large size market bag, and I will leave the description down, you know, in the description box. I will leave the person whose pattern I use to do this market bag, so I can give that person credit, and I probably put it up, you know, somewhere up there in the video as well. But this is the market bag that I forgot to show. As you can see, it's pretty large. It can hold a lot. It's made with cotton yarn, and I added leather straps to it instead of doing you know, the straps, because I ran out of the burgundy. So the burgundy color, and I ordered this yarn from Harvey. So no ma'am, no sir with them tariffs. So yeah, I ran out of the burgundy yarn, so I mixed it with a cream color cotton yarn to get this, you know, color, to get this effect. But this is a really large market bag. This is the bottom. And like I said, I may use this as my giveaway item. I only made one of them. And so just to attract more customers, more than likely, that's what I will do. But this is a market bag that I have. And it has leather straps. So whoever wins this bag or purchase this bag, either way, I will most likely, I could put some stitch markers for them so that they can actually take these leather straps loose. If you use a little screwdriver, you can take these straps loose and wash this, you know, wash it on hand or wash it in a machine and lay it flat to dry. But I will put some stitch markers on here, that way they can have it and they know where to attach their handles when they get ready to put them back on. So yeah, this is a market bag that I have. So that's that. Now here's for the new item. This new item, I chose to do to take with me, just to have a little extra. I really work on, specializing in the bags, in the handbags. But I created, most stuff. And that's what I probably do for my markets. Just create like some hats or just little things, little extra things. So, I have a little more than just my bags. And little accessories to accessorize your bags is what I'm actually trying to work on. But these are little brooches. They are bowls, and this one I made with Christmas theme. It has little candy, the gingerbread man, pearls, a little snowflake. So that's that one. Then I made one in white. And one in green. And this is the back of them. So they have the little, it has a safety pin on the back. And then the rest of them are, just different colors. And this is a yellow one. It has pearls, and it also has, rhinestones on it. This is a little turquoise one. Cream. And you can just wear it on your, you can pin it. Let's show you. So if you pin it on your clothes, or pin it on your sweater, your jacket, a shirt, what have you. Isn't that cute? That is so, so cute. So I have a bunch of other different colors in here. And so this is probably going to be a signature item. It just depends on how well it sells. If I sell out, I only did a few of them, maybe about 10 or 12. So if I sell out, it probably will be a item. And see, it has the tboq little charm on it. So these are really, really cute. But yeah, that is so, so cute. Just a little something to accessorize your clothes with. This is, I think they came out really, really nice. So that's it for this video. If you like what you've seen in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment so I know what type of content you like to see. Share this video. If you are subscribed, I thank you. I thank you. I thank you for subscribing to this channel. It helps to build the channel up and get it moving. And so if you haven't subscribed, I hope you've seen something in this video that will make you want to subscribe to my channel. So that's it, guys. I'll be back with the bag of the month towards the end of the month, and I'll come back with footage from the actual market. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.